indicated for the transportation of indivisible loads such as machines, tractors, industrial power transformers, etc. Before going through the operation and maintenance of the equipment, check the owner's manual. Attention! We recommend that you verify the chapter Load Distribution, in which you will find information about the maximum load capacity of the product and about the indivisible load resolution, such as the load capacity per axle shaft. Keep the set brake on a flat and compact place. According to the configuration of the product and the load to be carried, proceed with the appropriate operation as follows. Remove the warning sign. The bipartite model has two locks. Loosen the polyester brace by the ratchet until the hook unfastens. Release the polyester brace. Put the ramp down slowly and carefully until its edge touches the ground. Attention! To put the ramp up, go through the reverse process. Make sure that the brace is well fastened. Loosen the polyester brace as previously indicated. Put it down slowly, using the handle until it touches the ground. Attention! To put the ramp up, go through the reverse process. Make sure that the brace is well fastened. Loosen the polyester brace as previously indicated. Slowly remove the screw. Start the manual displacement. To put the ramp up, replace the screw. With the air compartment loaded, open the valve. Place the brace, going through the reverse process. Remove the electric and pneumatic plug. Turn the hydraulic system of the tractor truck on. Start the handle and remove the pin from the constraint. Turn the constraints and replace the pin of the constraint. Remove the security pins and place them in the lodgings. Start the handle. Start the handle. Put the auxiliary ramps down, proceed to loading. Attention! To connect the neck, go through the reverse process. Remember to place the constraints in the hooks and the neck constraint. Observe the load relief on the levelers of the cylinders. Connect hydraulic and electric hoses. Start the hydraulic plug of the tractor truck. Remove the pin. Start the handle and replace the pin in the lower part. Place the constraints on the brace of the pin, starting the handle. Observe the load relief on the levelers of the cylinders. To detach the tractor truck, go through the reverse process. For more information regarding operation, check the owner's manual. After finishing loading, go through the load bracing. Use the frontal and side rings and pins. Finish loading by closing the ramp and replacing the warning sign.